I've had a lot of feedback from patients who are now slowly coming out of quarantine and really wanting to get their health back on track. So what I've been doing over the last month, and what I do every year, in fact twice a year, is I do a seasonal cleanse. So whether it's a gut brain reset, one of our packs, or our home health reset, then I always actually take time and actually cleanse all of my 11 systems and all of my organs. It's really important too, when you are going to particularly cleanse the liver, that you can't just jump in and do a detox and without preparing the body, because unless those detox pathways are actually open, then you're at risk of actually releasing all those toxins but absorbing them again, which is really detrimental for your health, both mind and body. So what I suggest is, if you do one of our health reset packs, and then if you want to do an extra liver cleanse on top, like a liver flush I'm going to be doing in the next couple of weeks, then you can do that. But it's really important to get those foundations right, to reset and open up the detox pathways, using our water flow for a lymphatic detox as well, supporting the liver and the gallbladder, clearing out the gut, parasites, fungus, restoring that gut-brain axis as well for mind-body connection, and also dealing with your stress, your adrenals, supporting your adrenals, as well as reducing your cortisol levels, which act kind of like a fat magnet. So as I said, so when you're doing a detox, make sure you do it thoroughly, and see our latest blog as well if you actually need to actually burn some body fat as well as cleansing your liver. So see some free information there. But just keep in mind, coming out of this unusual season, be kind to yourself. Make sure you detox and cleanse properly so you get the best effect for both mind and body.